Well, there is a risk you may die when you stand up to fight. But if you don't, it's a sure thing you're going to die. So, why don't I try the former? Why don't I try to stand up and fight with the chance that you might survive and live on your life as you want it, instead of giving up and you let people treat you as if for you to live, it's a favor that they are going to do for you. Why? But my message goes to other Africans who live like this on a daily basis, who are dehumanized. And they accept it and they beg. I can't beg to live. I can't beg anybody. Who will fight? If I lose, I lose. But there is a chance. There is a chance, a significant chance, that if you stand up and fight, you will live. And you will have lived a dignified life that you deserve, that anybody else deserves.